Hello friends, we are doing today drawing and the craft also. So for that thing you need your cartridge paper or your drawing book, one or two colorful paper, glue, pen colors and scissors and your compass box, that is pencil and eraser. Okay children, now if you don't have the colorful paper, you can use the colorful paper by coloring white paper. So what you have to do, first of all you have to draw a bird, that is the swan. Do the round over here, then you will make little bit slant this way. Here you will do the oval shape. You will do the oval shape this way. You have to make the oval shape very lightly. Now you will develop just like this one, this way. Okay. Then the beak, the eye, you can make the crown also. Understood? You will erase the extra lines and you will draw the water this way. You will erase this line also because the swan is in the water. So little bit its body is inside the water. You can draw here the sun or you can draw the moon as you wish. Some stars, if you are drawing the moon, then some stars you can draw. Now you will first of all color in the background. I have drawn the night, so this is the moon, so I will draw the dark night with the dark blue color. Don't use the black color. Whenever you want to show the dark night, at that time you will color with the dark blue color. And keep your color in the slant position every time. Whenever you color it, keep your color in the slant position. So before coloring, you can color the stars with the white color. First you will draw the stars with the white color. So small, some big, whatever, and how many you want. First of all, you will color the stars with the white color. Then you will color. So in the white color, make it with the pressure. The stars you have to make with the pressure, so that will be seen this way. See, this is the star. This is the star. You can see the stars will be just like this way. See, in the stars, the colors will not go inside the stars. So it will look just like the stars. You can do with the light blue color or with the pink color also the stars. Understood? See, here I have done the star. See, wherever I kept the stars inside this also, you will color white in the moon also. So it will also look white. You can see. Some small stars, some big stars. Make it darker, one more layer with the blue color, so it will be darker. See. Now take it colorful paper. I have colored the background. That means in the sky as well as in the water also. You can make some plant over here also. And little bit this way you can make the plant or grass or whatever you like. Take the colorful paper. Now what you have to do, you have to draw the strips. You have to draw the lines for the strips. You have to cut the lines. So cutting practice will be there for this activity. Cutting, pasting, drawing, all the things, coloring, all the work you have to do. So you are getting the strip. Now cut it in the two. That means this length will be 4 inches or about 9 to 10 centimeters. So all the strips I will cut little bit, some little bit small, some bigger. So that way I am cutting. Now take the glue. You will paste this way the strips. All the strips you have to fold this way. Now you will paste these strips this way. First you will take the bigger strips and you will paste here by taking very little bit glue, very little bit, see, and you will paste. One more. Again very little bit I will take, so much. So, and another layer we will make this way, another layer of the folded strip this way. You will keep a very little bit glue over here. See, from the one drop I have Then so many strips I have pasted, so many strips. Then the third layer. Now the smaller strips you have to take and you have to fold it. Now the smaller strips you have to take and you have to fold. From this one I will do three strips, because I need now at last the small strips. So see how I am doing. Then the smaller one at last. At last I am pasting the smaller one. Now children, you can see that if you will do with the yellow color, it will look little bit light green. I have completed this one. For the finishing work, I have cut little bit round over here. This way I will paste it here for the finishing work. So extend this sketch pen line. I have cut the crown, so I will paste the crown also by putting little bit glue. You can see, and I have colored here, so it will be little bit darker. So back side I will draw the beak and cut it. Yes. So you can see that your bird is ready. I have pasted this moon also. So this way you have to do, and I am sure that you will enjoy this activity. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.